In this lesson, we will discuss Information Rights Management, or IRM. Information Rights Management protection has been implemented into Visio Professional 2016. So what does this mean? Well, simply put, it means you can protect your data from being edited by anyone other than those you choose to edit it. Let's look at it now. We'll start by navigating to the Backstage, selecting File. Here, you can choose the option Protect Diagram, and within it, you can select the Restrict Access option, and then connect to rights management servers and get templates. The server will then be accessed, and the templates will be gathered. Once this part is completed, the options in the Restrict Access menu will differ from previous. Let's talk first about Unrestricted Access. With the Unrestricted Access option, the file is accessible by anyone with access to the file location. There is no protection with Unrestricted Access. Keep that in mind. As you can see, here is the Unrestricted Access, and currently this file is not restricted. Next, we'll look at Restricted Access. This option allows you to restrict access to those you enter the email addresses of, and you can choose 2 levels of access. So first, we start by clicking the Restrict Permission to this diagram. Next, we will enter the email addresses of whichever users you wish to restrict in the either Read or Change options. They're described here. When you enter someone's name in the Read options panel, users with read permissions can read this diagram but cannot change, print, or copy its content. If you enter a user's name in the Change diagram box, they are described as users with change permission can read, edit, copy content from, and save changes to this diagram, but they cannot print the content. So, you have several options here. Then we can look at more options. Here, you can customize the selections made for each individual with access. So, what does that mean? Well, here in the Restricted Access menu, everyone whose name is included under Read has the same access restrictions. Everyone whose name is within the Change diagram window also has the same access restrictions as each other. So anyone you list out 4 people here, they all have the same permission. But by going into more options, you can customize each individual's permissions individually. In certain environments, such as a Microsoft Exchange environment, you may have additional options here that you can choose from, including confidential or confidential view only, which these have preset restrictions that you cannot control, as these are controlled by your IT department. IRM is a feature that is not included with standard editions of Visio. You must be using the Visio Professional 2016 desktop version or Visio Pro for Office 365 in order to use this feature. Information rights management will certainly help to protect your work from being modified or copied or printed by another person within your organization. If you're working on something that may be sensitive, or something that has a high priority, or you are simply concerned about someone's work ethic, then you should definitely become familiar with the new Information Rights Management, or IRM, features available within the new Visio Professional 2016. And that completes this lesson on Information Rights Management, or IRM.